it's me, Miss Irina. Oh! And who is this? It's a duck. Quack, quack. Hi, duck. It's a duck. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Yeah. Hi, duck. Hello. Quack, quack. You may wave your hand to say, hi, duck. Hello. Quack, quack, says the duck. Would you like to try saying quack, quack like a duck? Yes?
Yes.
Let's try together. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Wow. Quack, quack. You are quacking amazing. I've got an idea. Let's go on a fun adventure with our duck friend at the pond. Yeah. Oh, look. Here is the pond. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim in the water like little boats. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Woo! Besides, ducks are excellent divers. Ooh, they can dive underwater to find tasty snacks hiding beneath the surface. Woo! Dive! Dive! Ducks love to eat yummy things like insects, bugs, worms, and plants from the pond. Oh, yeah! Ducks have special feathers that keep them warm and dry. Even then, they are swimming in cold water. Can you imagine? Ooh. Wow! So fluffy! Ooh, look at the magical pond! The water in the pond is clear and we can see playful bubbles rising to the surface. I see a big yellow duck and 3 baby ducks. 1, 2, 3, swimming around. A big yellow duck and 3 little baby ducklings. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh! Swimming across the pond. Quack, 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 quack. Look, little friends, the ducks are gently swimming across the water, quacking happily. Quack, 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 quack. Look at this big yellow duck. And here 3 baby ducks. Let's count them together. 1 big yellow duck. 1 baby duck. 2 baby duck. 3 baby ducks? 3 baby ducks. Yeah, 1 big duck and 3 baby ducks. Great job, friends. What color is the big duck? It's yellow. Yes, this color is yellow. And the baby ducks? They are yellow too. Look, yellow, yellow and yellow. Quack, 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 quack. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Said Mother duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Said Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Ducks can fly up in the sky. Fly, 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 like airplane. They use their wings to soar through the air. Where is my dog friend? Oh, here you are. Hi, duck. Hello. Ducks can sleep with one eye open. Oh, that's something special. Can you imagine? They keep one eye open to watch out for any danger while they rest. Ducks are great friends, yeah, to have around. Hello, duck. Hello, duck. You are my friend. Hi. Ducks like swim and play together in groups called flocks. Yeah. Oh, look. Here is a flock of ducks. Hi, ducks. Hello. Oh, here is another flock of ducks. Hi, ducks. Hello. Have a lovely day. Hi. And did you know that ducks come in different colors and patterns, just like a box of crayons. So beautiful, duck friend. Oh, look. Over there, I can see some baby ducks. Hello, little baby ducks. Hi. Did you know that baby ducks are called ducklings? Ducklings. Here are some ducklings. Yay! Hi, baby ducks. They are fluffy and so cute. Just like little teddy bears. Ooh. The pond is a beautiful place for our friendly duck with lots of water and green plants. The sky was blue and the yellow sun was shining. It was a perfect day for our duck friend to swim. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. And now, amazing baby, look closely at the book I want to share with you. Where is Mr. Duck? Can you spot the animals at the pond? Where is Mrs. Butterfly? Let's open. Here she is. Hello, Butterfly. See you later. Where is Mr. Frog? Let's open. Here he is. Hello, Frog. How are you doing today? Where is Mrs. Worm? Let's open. Here she is. Hello, Worm. See you later. Where is Mr. Duck? Shall we open? Open. Here he is. Hello, Duck. How are you today? And where are you, baby? Let's open. There you are. It's a mirror. You can see yourself. Here is Miss Irina. Hello, Miss Irina. And Mr. Frog, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Butterfly, where